Welcome to Tips and Tricks for November 2020, how to manually populate fields in Image Manager. I have a document that's just arrived. It happens to be a resume. I know I don't have a job that I can run against to fill in all the index values. So I have a way of doing it without doing any typing at all. I open the document. I select the library. In this case, it's HR. And if it was an accounting document, you would put it in the accounting. And the doc type is a hire type. Now we want to do a doc ID. You'll notice there are two buttons. One is draw an OCR zone, and one is draw a barcode zone. We're going to use the OCR zone, and we simply select the field, double click, and it fills. For the sub ID, I can put his first name if I want to. For the title, I simply highlight both words. Voila, we're done. In the notes section, if I wanted to collect all of the experiences he has or a large bit of information, I can put it in the same way. We've now quickly, easily collected all the index values. All we have to do is put a date to it. Now this works for accounting. This works for any type of a document that you're trying to index. To recap, this process works anytime you have data you want to enter into a specific field for indexing. All you need to do is select the target box where you're going to put the data, highlight the data, and double click. For tips and tricks, my name is Dan Schmidt. If you have any suggestions or comments about tips and tricks, email them to dans@synergetic-data.com. For Unformed Tips and Tricks, thank you very much and see you next month.